Hello everyone, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. My name is Geline. I am a part-time reseller on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark, and a full-time hustle from home mom. I am very passionate about working from home, earning money from home, and this is what this channel is all about. Sharing the passion to anybody who wants it and needs it. So anyways, this video is going to be another Thredup unboxing. I admit I'm a little bit addicted to ordering the rescue boxes or the DIY rescue boxes from Thredup. Well, first of all, I figured that I am new to all of this, so I'm still learning my brands, I'm still learning styles, I'm still learning fabrics and all of those things. I'm not really well versed with those things just yet, so if I order stuff just like in Thredup, then that way I could learn a little bit more. So this box is let me see. If I'm not mistaken, this is the men's mixed box or clothing. I forgot. I ordered this, I would say by the end of April, if I'm not mistaken, and I got it around a few days after I gave birth, so around last week of May. Anyways, this is the box. Open this baby up. So just open the box. And I'm trying to find a receipt. We shall start. Oh, by the way, I don't know how much the comps for these items, so while I'm gonna edit it, when I'm gonna edit this video, I'm gonna put comps on it. First thing that I pull up is this jeans. It's a Levi Strauss original riveted jeans. Its waistline is 32 and it looks like this, and let me just show you the label. Oh, where is it? Oh, here, sorry. Yeah, that's the label, and it looks really good, really good condition. Like, here is the bottom part of it. Okay, and maybe, I'm not sure if this is something I should be concerned about. Like, there's some pulling, I think that's what you call it, here. But really, it doesn't really, to me, it's not really that bad. And let me see. Okay. Let me see if the zipper works. Yes, it does. So this is how it looks like in the front. This is how it looks like in the back. And the crotch is in perfect condition. There we go. So that's that. Next item are these boots. Yeehaw! Boots. Okay, I don't know. Let me just show you this one. This is how the boots look like. It's actually in really good condition. Look. See? There we go. And the bottom. Yeah, they are really good. This is by the company, I think Lanedo. I don't know. So it's really nice. Wait, hold on. Let me see what size this is. Oh, Laredo. Laredo, and men's 10D. By the way, if you're interested with any of these items, let me know. Send me a message on Instagram. I am you can find me on Instagram at Geline and I will give you a good discount. So that's that. Next up is, what is this? Ooh, it says Yoku Fashion, US size medium. Oh my gosh, I think this is it's a jogging pants or sweatpants. No, it's not sweatpants, it's jogging pants, I believe. It might be fleece, because look, it has this furry thing inside, so it's definitely for a winter. It is in a very good condition. I don't see any holes, no discolorations, no peeling. The crotch is in great condition. The bottom part, they're also in really good condition. So, okay, one last look of the item. Okay, there. I'm really hoping I could find a receipt. I did open this up when I got it. But I don't remember getting the receipt. So it might be somewhere here. I did just open them up and kind of skim through the items, but I didn't really do like comps or anything like that just yet. Next is this Hurley short pants. It's not pants. Yeah, it's pants. Shorts, size 30. Okay, so let me see if the material is here. But it has mesh inside, like mesh pocket. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, so it looks like this. It's in really good condition. I don't think it has been worn, to be honest. It looks perfect. And this is how the back looks like. Again, this is a size 30. And again, if I don't seem excited, if there's a brand that I pull up and I don't seem excited, it's because I don't really know the brands. I don't know if they sell well or if I should be excited about getting those items or those brands. So yeah, so let me know if there's a brand that comes up that I should be excited about, so that way I could also learn through the process of this whole, mystery box unboxing thing. Okay, next is this jacket. It's a nice jacket. Black jacket. It's by Mark New York, Andrew Mark. There we go. And it is really nice. It has lots of pockets. You have pocket inside, and let's see, embellished buttons over there. Over here too. And I'm looking for the size. Oh, it's a size small. Small here. Okay, but it's really nice. I feel like it hasn't been worn. It's in perfect condition. It's like this. It's in a really perfect condition. So yeah, it's a good buy for winter. Next, oops, that's a little bit heavy. Next up is this plaid, ooh, Mickey Mouse pants. this is Mickey Mouse original, Disney and Forever 21 collaboration. So of course it's men. What size are you? It's a size 33, US size 33, and this is just a fun plaid pants like it. And again, this is in perfect condition. I don't think it was worn too, based on how it feels like and how it looks like. And the zipper works. The button is here, so it actually has a button here, and then hook and eye, and yeah, and then the zipper. It has pockets on the back here. Actually, no, I take that back. This is not a pocket. It's just, it looks like a pocket, but it's not really open, so you can't really open it. It just looks like a pocket. All right. Next up is polo shirt, American Eagle. Okay, let's see that. American Eagle, size medium. Size medium. Okay. And this one is another perfect condition. Oh, it still has a tag on it. So yeah, this is new. Retail price is $34.95. Focus, baby, focus. Okay, so the retail price is $34.95. So let's see how much we can get from this. So it looks like that. Looks nice. Next is a necktie, Calvin Klein necktie, maroon necktie, and it seems to be in a perfect condition also. You can see that. Yep. So I mean, nothing special, it's a necktie, so I don't really see a receipt here. Oh my god, I don't know what happened to my receipt. Okay. Next is this cardigan, sleeveless cardigan. It's by the brand Columbia, titanium Columbia, medium, size medium. Looks like that. So it is in a good condition. There's just some like here, but you can really remove it. It's not like, you know, maybe it's just because of the packaging when it was packaged in the box. Looks like parts of the box. So let's see if the zipper works. Go down. Yeah, it works. And it has pockets here. Also this one. Also here, pockets. Yep, and then here too. Okay, we have 2 more items left, and here is another necktie. It is by the brand Baron DeWitt, I don't know. Looks like that, and it seems to be in a good condition. I'm not sure if, can you see this? I'm not sure if this is part original part of the necktie. I might need to research about this a little bit more. My battery is about to die. So my battery died, I had to change the battery pack. Anyways, so the last item is this one. Yeah, and the buttons are here. Everything's in here, no missing buttons. No peeling, no pulling, no discolorations. Yeah, it's in perfect condition. So that's about it. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna make my money back. I think I will. Let me see, because I don't see the receipt, so I can always just pull out the website and see if I can find pricing in there. This is a mixed men's clothing, mixed size, and I believe I got the 15 pounds. Is whatever is the lowest quantity that they offer, that's what I get, because I always get the smallest one for my first order. It's just for me to see actually like how it is there, if I'm gonna like it.